Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Mustang. Stock number is A7082. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, leather interior. The seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look inside of the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mustang on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.